How to delete Facebook block list. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then go to the menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. Then go to settings. After that, scroll down and then go to blocking. Now all the people that you have blocked will appear over here. If you want to delete the block list, you will have to unblock them. Without unblocking, you cannot delete your Facebook block list. So that's it. However, you can try and go to Facebook support center and tell them that you want to clear your block list without having to unblock them. And rest is on their customer support. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.